Hello everyone, I'm so glad you have joined me today. I love sharing my ideas with you and I hope I inspire you with today's creation. This week my focus will be on the Retiring Stamp Set Floral Essence. You can recreate these cards using any floral stamp set that you have. Here's today's idea. Quick and easy card, not hard to do, and I'm going to show you a couple of things that I did in mine. All right, let's move that over there. You're going to need your card base, which is white, and it's just a half sheet of paper folded in half to get your card base. You're going to take I use the solid image stamp, and I think the solid image stamps look better than an open one because it kind of fills it in. I use Flirty Flamingo, but you can use, again, whatever color you have that works. And I stamped one up top. Then I stamped another one at the bottom. And I stamped a third one over here. Okay. I did stamp a fourth one on a scrap piece of paper and cut it out. It needed some leaves, so I pulled in some leaves and a bright green color. This one happens to be Granny Apple Green. And I'm going to fill in the spaces with my leaves. I'm gonna turn that one that way. Let's put one down here. And I want one over here, but I'm gonna go off my paper. So I'm gonna take and pull in a scrap paper so it doesn't get on my workspace. And then I need one more right there. And wipe that off just in case. So there I have the background created. While I was stamping, I also cut out two of the leaves. All right, we're ready for the next part. I wanted, some interest going across. And I didn't have anything, so what I did was I pulled out my Stitch So Sweetly dies, which has this scalloped rectangle on it. If you have a scalloped rectangle, you can use it. And I used a strip and I cut out the whole side, so to speak, and it was longer than this. Then I cut it down so that it was the width I wanted and the length I wanted. This I'm going to put on here, and I'm going to stick it down even with the edges. If you are a person who likes to be in the know and get the information first, my newsletter customers, oh, that looked crooked. Customers get the information, yes it is, pull it down a little, about my classes first. So make sure you sign up. All right, got that on there and it's straight. Whew. All right, time to put our elements together and put it on the card. So I'm gonna use a glue dot. I'm gonna put a glue dot on the bottom of each of these. And I'm gonna pull it off and stick it on the back and do the same thing with the other one. All right, there. I'm gonna put this on with some pop dots, dimensionals, foam tape, whatever you call them, so that it's raised, so to speak, on your card base. I'm going to put one more there only because I don't want it to collapse in the middle. All right, one more right there. And I'm going to pull in my pokey tool and take the backs off. All right, here we go. Ooh, be careful. I almost, well, that does not want to come off. And that is really you have to be careful because where the two join, because I went down so far, it's not real sturdy, so watch that. All right, now I'm going to add this to my card base. And this one's going to look a little differently because of how I did it. I should have thought about that. My sentiment came from, I wanted a thank you card, so I wanted to find something I could put on here. And I just found a sentiment in one of my sets. This one actually came from Ornate Thanks. And then I'm going to cut around this sometimes it's nice to have just a sentiment that really isn't cut out into any kind of shape. So you just kind of go along and do it what looks good to you. All right. All right. And then this is going to go on with dimensionals also. And our card is done. Isn't this a quick and easy card? Hardest part was fussy cutting. That's why I did it ahead of time so you didn't have to see me do it. The flower's not too bad. Those leaves, whew, if you have a leaf that another one you can use. All right, I'm going to put that down there like so. And there's our card. And don't forget, oh, I didn't do the leaves inside. Let me do them right now. I missed it. Oh, I need a paper that's going to go off. And I don't want it on my work surface. All right, there we go. Now it's done. So make sure you do the inside and the envelope. And I put a lot into that envelope. I guess I wanted to make it look good. I hope you've enjoyed my creation today. Don't forget to sign up for my newsletter. Link is in the information section below. While you're at it, subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Okay, coming back on, I totally forgot the center to my flowers. This one it doesn't matter about. So I'm going to add this one here. And I'm going to take my scrap paper and put it there. And I'll add this piece in there. So you can't even tell I didn't do it. Oh my. One of those things. Have a great day.